Hello students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching science of 6th standard. Here we are going to start chapter number 1, Food, Where Does It Come From? Part 2. Yesterday we have studied about plant parts as food. In that, roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, and the sixth one is seeds. So, some plants store food in their seeds and we eat seeds of these plants like wheat, maize, rice, millet, Bengal gram, peas and pulses. Similarly, groundnut, mustard and soya bean are also seeds. Some plants have two or more edible parts which can be eaten as food. For example, mustard plant, whose leaves are used as leafy vegetables and seeds are used to extract mustard oil. It is important to know that all plants around us are not edible and some of them plants are even poisonous. Our next topic is sprouts. When seeds begin to germinate by developing tiny roots, they are called as sprouts. Sprouts contain more of vitamin A, B and C than seeds, which makes them a more nutritious food. Making of sprouts from a seeds is called as sprouting. Our next topic is animal products as food. An important animal product which is used as food is milk. Milk can be used for drinking or converting it into milk products like curd, that is dahi, butter, ghee, cheese or paneer, etc. Other animal products which are used as food is eggs, chicken, mutton, fish, etc. Another animal product which is used as food is honey. Honey bees collects nectar from plants and convert it into honey. The food we eat which comes from plant source and animal source. If we study minutely, we will see that even animal food comes from the plants. For example, cow gives us milk which eats grass as food. Eggs which comes from hens which eats grains as food. Now let us see what do animals eat. Human beings eat plants food like cereals, grains, vegetables and fruits as well as animals food like milk, chicken, eggs, fish, etc. Thus, human beings eat a large variety of food but the animals eat only of few types of. Some animals eat only plant materials while some eat flesh of other animals, whereas some animals eat both plant food as well as flesh of other animals. So, our next topic is producers and consumers. Producers means जो खुद अपना फूड बनाते हो and consumer means जो वो food consume करते हो. So here our producers are plants and consumers are animal, human beings, etc. So plants do not eat food like animals do. The green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide. Since plant can make their own food, they are called as producers. Plants not only make food for themselves, they also provide food for animals and human beings like grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. So, animals cannot make their own food and they depend on plants or other animals for food and hence they are called as consumers. Just because animals they cannot make their own food, that is why they are called consumers. Animals as consumers. As animals cannot make their own food, they depend on other plants and animals. They are classified into three types. So first one is herbivores, second one is carnivores, and the third one is omnivores. Herbivores are the animals which eat only plants, for example, goat, cow, horse, deer, elephant, giraffe, rabbit, etc. So here herbivores are those who depends on plants only. The second one is carnivores. Carnivores are the animals which eat only other animals, for example, lion, tiger, frog, vultures, snake, etc. The next one is omnivores. Omnivores are the animals which eat other plants and other animals, for example, human beings, dogs, cat, pig, sparrow, hen, etc. So here are three types of consumers. The first one is herbivores, the second one is carnivores, and the third one is omnivores. Herbivores are those who depends on plant or plant products only. Carnivores are those who are depends on other animals only, and omnivores, they are depend both on plants and animal products. So here we conclude our chapter number 1, food, where does it come from?